What's up, guys? Today is Monday. That means it's Joe's All-Star Tool Monday. Mr. Joe's outside, so let's take a look and see what he's got today. You guys, come on. Them some fine little old jump starters right there. Hard to beat them.
Mine's the one size up from that one, I think.
Them are hard to beat. Hard to beat. I think that's the one you got. The GB150 is the next one.
Is it? Then it'd be that one then.
Yeah, that's hard to beat.
Let's see,
Hard to beat. Hard to beat. Still got the chainsaw back there.
oh yeah, had a couple of them come in.
And a big old radio, looks like.
Yep.
That's so you can throw a party on the barge, or on the pontoon, ain't it? With that big thing.
That's what it's for. Wherever you want to be.
Need a battery operated cooler to go with it. You can sure enough have a party.
Well, in all reality, I have one of the few remote control battery Milwaukee coolers.
Remote control battery.
Milwaukee coolers.
What, can you drive it to you? You ain't got to get up and go get the beer? You just
You're at the party, you're just sitting down, you want a beer, Pete? Yeah. You want a beer, Bill?
No.
Wow. That's
You
pretty
roll
cool.
tomorrow.
So it's like a remote control
It's
truck.
a remote control cooler that'll drive around where you need it.
Shoot, Joe, you need to bring it one day.
I'm
We'll
gonna,
try that
I'm gonna
thing
do
out.
probably a giveaway on it next year.
I'll tell you what you should
raffles.
do. This should be a good idea. And it make for great content. Me and Wally could sit at each end of the building, and you could sit in the middle, and we could see how long the battery will last driving back and forth drinking beer.
I'll take this contest.
See if the battery will last long enough for everybody to get inebriated.
Long enough that, or whoever falls off their chair first.
Yep. I'll take that bet.
Yeah, it's interesting.
I bet Wally will be hammered.
Get hammered
Probably.
easy. Get hammered easy.
Oh yeah, I'm a cheap date. You can get
All
my
right.
panties real quick. Oh, did I say that out loud?
You wearing panties?
You know what I mean.
A 6-pack of beer and a pizza, and Wally will put it to you.
If it's right, it don't even
No.
need a 6-pack of beer, just a pizza.
You were saying you could get them. Wasn't he was going to give it?
Wally said, chicks, if you're single tonight, show up with a 6-pack of beer and a pizza, and you can have a little bit of Wally to take home with you.
Just put your link down in the description.
Leave your email below. Wally will contact you. What you got there?
So-
I'm sorry. I got off on the remote control cooler
That's
tangent.
right. We got magnetic tape measures. Now, look at that. Numbers on both sides.
Wow, that's nice.
That's a strong magnet. And this thing will go all the way out 12, 14 feet before she'll drop on down.
Cool.
You also got finger control. If you just want to like hold, see what you're doing, whatever, but it does have a lock on it. There was a 16 foot. There was a 25 foot. 35 and 42 bucks.
35, 42. That's nice. Especially if you do carpenter work.
Well, yeah.
Really nice.
You never know when you're going to go and build that deck, you know, so you can sit all back and drink
Drink beer and
yeah.
wish you had a remote control cooler so you don't have to get up. Oh, that's my Lang, so that's gonna be a good one.
Yep.
I like Lang.
Lang Heavy Duty Deluxe.
Compression tester?
Fuel tester.
Fuel tester.
Fuel pressure tester.
It's just like my kit. Except a lot nicer, cleaner.
Except all the pieces are there, or most of them.
That's what happens when you loan stuff out.
Or let Wally use.
Well, you know, we can figure out what pieces are missing and get them. Just for
I'm
you.
pretty sure that's the exact same kit. Mine's just a red box.
More likely.
That's a nice kit. How much was that one?
$440.
$440.
$440.
Right.
Just put it right there for a minute. That. I know the other week, I know afterwards, I know I was still pretty tired from that long drive back and forth. But I just still hitting me, you know, like that a day or two later.
It's called getting old, Joe. You ain't 20 no more.
It's just a drive. You can tell me that later. So anyways,
Pretty good.
one of my customers come up to me, and one of the things that I know, you guys are going to all price Amazon and everything and say, oh, it's so much cheaper than that, or I can do this, that. But you know what I do? What I can do for my customers, I can't. I had a customer come to me. We'll call him Monty because I got his name on here.
Okay.
He says, Joe, can you get this SK warranted for me? I never sold him SK. I said, of course I can. I got him a bunch of stuff warranted. I know I done that for his buddy Steve. Steve says, oh, you can do that? I said, sure, I can do that. I got a whole bunch of stuff done, taken care of for him.
You know, it would be cool if you started stocking SK, because SK is good stuff.
I'll get whatever you want. I just
Good stuff.
run low on room on places, but yeah, I can get anything that's...
You know what? If we can get rid of all this
All that
Cornwell
good stuff.
shit, we can put some SK
All right, I
up
guess
there.
we'll work on that. That'll be what'll get
We've been
replaced.
working on that for like 5 months, Joe.
Yeah.
Like, it's
So-
like old girlfriends' jackets and stuff. You need to get rid of that crap.
Get
It's time to
rid of it.
move forward.
Okay.
You can't go nowhere looking in the rearview mirror.
Yeah.
Can
The
you, Wally?
moving forward part, you know. So I take the truck in to get the oil change just the other day. 2,500 miles on it. It goes up in the air and I look at it, I go, sure looks like oil's leaking out of here. Front timing cover plate leaking oil, sure enough. At first I go, no, that's not oil. We topped off the antifreeze and spilled a little bit. I know what oil looks like, you know, versus water. Anyways, I come back around, they're looking at it, I go, see that oil leaking? So yeah, we're trying to see where it's all coming from. Sure enough. But anyways, I hope you guys all have a great week ahead. Anything you need, let me know. I guess that's about it.
All right, guys, be sure to check the links in the description. If you want Joe to put all of this Cornwell crap on clearance and get it out of here, let him know down in the description. I need to get rid of that crap.
All right.
All right, guys, like always, if you like the video, hit that thumbs up and click that subscribe button right down there. Because what we got to do, Wally?
Get back to work.